Welcome to this very attractive villa on the outskirts of Carvoeiro. This beautifully presented single-storey villa comprises of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, open-plan living spaces and office. It not only boasts stunning sea views from the roof terrace, but from the living areas and pool area. The gardens are beautifully landscaped, surrounding the property, as well as large covered and uncovered terraces. There is a heated pool and barbecue area. The property is only a 15-minute walk to the centre of Carvoeiro and is ideally located as either a holiday home or a relocation villa. Let me show you round.